So here class, we will let's have an example. D is indebted to C for 100,000. The debt is secured by a chattel mortgage of D's car. D owes T another 100,000 for which he he or D is in default. So ngayon, T sues D, obtain from the court a writ of attachment over the car. So, ibig sabihin, si T humingi ng tulong sa korte. Na sinabi niya sa korte, meron pa naman siyang car. So, D likewise default in the payment of his debt to C. So, ibig sabihin, dalawa yung pinagkakautangan ni D. Si C at saka si T. C foreclosed the chattel mortgage on the car. So, dalawang tao na nagka-claim doon sa car ni D. T redeems the car by paying C. So, ang ginawa ni T, binayaran niya si C. Here, T is subrogated to the rights of C. So, ang nangyari class, subrogation yung nangyari. Binayaran ni T si C para at least kay T na lahat mapupunta yung kay T na lahat, si T na lahat ang magiging creditor. Thus, T foreclosed the chattel mortgage on the car in the same manner that C could foreclose it. So, subrogation yung nangyari class. Yung katauhan ni C is inilipat kay T. So, that's all for chattel mortgage. If you have any question, so kindly ask it on our GC. And for the explanation class, pinaspasan ko na. And thank you for the understanding. Kindly, please bear with me. Yun lang naman. So, that's all. Thank you.